Hey guys, what's up? It's Rhegan and welcome back to my channel. So to be honest, I washed my hair a few days ago, but I didn't actually style it. So I'm just going in with some water to refresh my curls because there's no way that I'm going to be able to pull my hair up into a bun without wetting it first. And for my moisturizer, I'm going to go in with the tgin Buttercream. So I'm just going to use the prayer hands method to distribute the moisturizer throughout my curls. This way it's a lot easier for me to put the moisturizer all throughout my hair. Okay, so now that my hair has some moisture back into it, I'm just going to go ahead and use my Denman brush. I'm just going to use this to smooth out my curls and to lengthen my hair to pull it up into a bun. Now I'm going to go in with my favorite edge control. This is the Passion Fruit Curls Control Paste, and I'm just going to put that all over my edges to smooth them down. I was using Eco Styler gel before, but I found that it was drying out my hair and making it flaky, so I love this instead.
Right now, know you always right. Now I know I need you around with me, but nobody been around with me. Oh, sit up, send it down to me.
Alright, now I'm just going to go in with an old toothbrush and start swooping my edges. To be honest, my hair is super long. I don't really have baby hairs, so I just kind of swoop the loop, the little hairs in the front.
A whole lot of love, but you don't want to spread it around with me. Never pick up, never call me. You know we run another time. Never pick up when you want me. Now I gotta draw a line. Baby, I done enough talking. Need to know that you're mine. Baby, we done enough talking. Gotta be right. Gotta be gonna be hey.
that is the final look. To be honest, I haven't been wearing my hair out in a while because I've been feeling so lazy. So super quick and easy hairstyles have been my go-to. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.